Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best fly fishing rod and reel combo is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for any angler looking to get started in the world of fly fishing, offering a convenient and often cost-effective way to acquire the fundamental tools needed to cast a line and pursue trout, bass, or other freshwater species with confidence and ease. Number 5. MAXIMUMCATCH Maxcatch Extreme Fly Fishing Combo Kit. This all-inclusive kit provides everything you need to start your fishing journey. It includes a high-performance rod, a preloaded reel with line, backing, and leaders, plus a variety of flies and essential accessories. Experience enhanced strength and durability with our exclusive MaxLink rod technology. It features a blend of carbon fibers, including a reinforced layer, for a 20% increase in strength. Designed for both distance and presentation, this rod's fast-action blank and smooth taper make casting effortless, even for beginners. It's engineered for high efficiency and easy long-distance casting. The lightweight aluminum reel comes pre-spooled with backing, weight-forward floating line, and a tapered leader. Its size is perfectly balanced with the rod for optimal performance. Keep everything organized and protected with the durable travel case, which includes a reel pouch. The waterproof fly box holds numerous lures and comes with 12 hand-tied flies. This combo kit is perfect for beginners looking to start fishing without breaking the bank. It also serves as an excellent backup option for experienced anglers. What we like. This combo is perfect for beginners looking for an all-in-one solution. It comes preloaded and includes everything you need to hit the water. If you are just starting out and want a hassle-free experience with a quality build, this is the one for you. What people say. The rod is lightweight and has a good action for casting. The reel is smooth and has a decent drag system. This combo is a great value for beginners, offering good performance at an affordable price. Number 4. Sougayilang Fly Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. Discover the joy of fly fishing with this complete starter package. It's designed for both beginners and experienced anglers looking for quality and convenience. The reel features a durable CNC machined aluminum alloy construction for smooth performance. Its adjustable disc drag ensures you have control over your catch, and it's easily convertible for left or right-hand use. Crafted from IM8 graphite, this 9 feet, 4-piece rod is ultra-lightweight and perfectly balanced. The ergonomic cork handle and smooth guides enhance your casting and overall fishing experience. This comprehensive combo includes the rod, reel, fly line, backing, leader, forceps, hand-tied flies, a fly box, line nipper, and a starter guide. Everything is ready for your next adventure. Transport your gear with ease in the included 29.5-inch rod case. Its protective cloth bag and adjustable strap make it ideal for taking your passion anywhere. We stand behind our product with 2 years of dedicated support. If you encounter any issues, we're here to help you resolve them quickly. What we like. If you value a smooth drag system and comfortable grip, this combo is a great choice. The CNC machined reel offers precision, and the ergonomic handle ensures comfort during long fishing sessions. Its excellent customer support also makes it a worry-free option for any angler. What people say. The reel seat is very secure and holds the reel firmly in place. The rod casts smoothly and accurately, even in windy conditions. The combo is lightweight and well-balanced, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. Number 3. Moonshine Rod Company Vesper Series Fly Rod. Experience superb balance, dampening, and swing weight with this lightweight design for ultimate accuracy. It features an anti-glare blank with midnight bindings, crafted from high-modulus nanomatrix carbon fiber and titanium frame guides. These field-tested, guide-approved rods offer moderate fast or fast-action models. They are set above the competition with Quad A-grade cork, HD double blackout rings, Delrin bushings, and a fighting butt. This rod comes with a durable, 5-compartment rod sock and an extra tip section, all protected in a sleek, compact tube. Its design gives you the freedom to fly fish anywhere. Designed for long-distance casts and intuitive hand feel, these rods are perfect for you. They include light wire guides and premium cork with a stylish reel seat and down-locking rings. We understand adventures can be tough on gear. When you invest in this rod, you'll receive a lifetime manufacturer's warranty with a competitive fee to get you back fishing quickly. What we like. For the angler who demands top-tier performance and durability, this rod is an excellent investment. Its lightweight construction and high sensitivity offer superior casting accuracy and feel. If you're looking for a rod built to last with a lifetime warranty, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. The rod is lightweight and has a smooth casting action, making it easy to handle even for beginners. The reel is pre-spooled with line, which is a convenient feature for those who are new to fly fishing. The combo comes with a durable carrying case, protecting the rod and reel during transport and storage. Number 2. Martin Complete 8-Foot Fly Fishing Kit. Introducing the Martin Complete Fly Fishing Kit, your perfect companion for a day on the water. This comprehensive set has everything you need to get started. The 8-foot, 3-piece rod offers a moderate action, making it ideal for a variety of fish, from panfish to trout and bass. It's designed for a smooth and enjoyable fishing experience. Built with a durable fiberglass rod blank and a comfortable EVA handle, this rod provides all-day comfort and a secure grip. It's designed to withstand the rigors of fishing. The size 5/6 reel comes pre-spooled with line, backing, and a leader, so you can start fishing right away. Its lightweight design and rim control make it easy to handle. This kit includes a 6-piece tackle assortment to get you started. Plus, a scannable barcode links to a helpful guide for casting, knot tying, and equipment care. Zebco has been a trusted name in outdoor recreation since 1949. This product is backed by a 1-year warranty against defects in workmanship and materials. What we like. This combo is ideal for anglers who prefer a more forgiving, moderate-action rod. Its fiberglass construction is durable and suitable for a variety of fish species. If you are a beginner or prefer a rod that makes casting easier, this trusted option is a fantastic starting point. What people say. The rod is lightweight and balanced, making it easy to cast long distances with accuracy. The reel is smooth and has a good drag system, which is essential for fighting larger fish. The combo comes with a durable carrying case, protecting the rod and reel during transport. Number 1. Wild Water Standard Fly Fishing Combo Starter Kit. Embark on your fly fishing adventure with our all-in-one starter kit. It includes everything you need to begin casting and catching fish right away. The 9-foot rod is crafted from lightweight IM8 graphite, ensuring durability without the weight. It features a comfortable Western-style cork handle for a superior grip. This durable die-cast aluminum reel comes with stainless steel components and an adjustable disc drag. It's even pre-spooled with fly line, backing, and a leader for immediate use. Keep your flies organized and protected in the rugged, waterproof fly box. It comes stocked with a variety of essential flies to get you started on the water. Transport and store your gear safely with the included durable nylon carrying case. It features a rod tube, reel pouch, and ample space for all your fishing essentials. This versatile combo is ideal for streams, rivers, lakes, and ponds. Its medium-fast action makes learning to cast easy, perfect for catching trout, panfish, or small bass. What we like. This package is designed for ease of use and portability, making it perfect for fishing in various locations. The medium-fast action rod is forgiving for new casters, and the included waterproof fly box ensures your flies are always protected. If you want a versatile combo for streams, rivers, and ponds, this is a solid pick. What people say. This rod is extremely sensitive and has a fast action, making it perfect for casting long distances. The reel is lightweight and balanced, providing a smooth retrieve and excellent control. The combo comes with a durable carrying case, which is great for protecting the rod and reel during transport. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.